where many of us are still waiting for Android 10 update and many of us are stuck with Android 9. Google is found working with Android 11 already. So this Geekbench score of Pixel 4 with 6GB RAM variant says or suggests that Google is working on Android 11, because you can clearly see in that operating system section it's written Android R. The single core score is 712 and multi-core score is 2181, which seems to be quite equivalent is the previous score of Google Pixel rocking Android 10. So the previous score was like this and the new score is like this one. So we have seen a multi-core score dip, but this is the indication that Google will now start the developer preview of their Android 11 or Android R, and we may hear many things about its upcoming feature and all in the future coming days, and we will obviously be informing you about any of the update in this regard. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel. Until my next video, peace.